Meet Wilhelm Wundt, born in 1832 in Germany, widely known as the father of modern psychology. In 1879, he established the world's first psychology laboratory at the University of Leipzig, significantly shifting the field of psychology from a branch of philosophy into a scientific discipline through rigorous experimental methods. Wundt emphasized the importance of studying conscious experience, focusing on elements such as sensations, perceptions, and reaction. He utilized tools like introspection, a method in which participants report their thoughts and feelings in response to stimuli, and reaction time tests that measure how quickly individuals respond to external events. This innovative approach laid the foundation for a systematic study of mental process, enabling psychology to emerge as a credible field of scientific inquiry. Wundt's dedication to empirical research trained over 180 students from various corners of the globe. This educational influence helped to spread the principles of experimental psychology worldwide, establishing a vibrant network of psychological research. His teachings inspired many renowned psychologists and researchers who would follow in his footsteps and contribute to the advancement of psychological science. Wundt also published several significant texts, including his landmark work, Principle of Psychological Psychology, which outline his theoretical framework and experimental findings. This comprehensive volume served as a cornerstone in the field, illustrating how psychology as a discipline could be grounded in empirical research and observation. Wundt's commitment to the scientific method and rigorous inquiry has continued to resound throughout the decades, shaping the practice of psychology as we know it today. His influence on the field is undeniable, as the methodologies, concepts, and principles he developed form the basis of modern psychological research. Today, Wundt's legacy lives on in research laboratories all over the world, where psychologists apply his foundational theories to explore the complexities of the human mind and behavior. His pioneering efforts have established psychology as a true science, characterized by systematic investigation and empirical validation. As we reflect on Wundt's contribution, we recognize the profound impact he has had on how we understand human consciousness and behavior. Thanks for watching. Remember, psychology as a science begins with Wundt.
Bye bye.